Hey guys, Tony with SeattleBoatDetailing.com. Out here today doing this West Coast 46 at Shilshole Bay Marina. Just wanted to show you kind of a after. You see that reflection in there? And then before. I don't know if you can tell, but there's zero reflection here. This is completely dry, flat, and dull. And then you get into the area that I've done, which is basically the halfway mark. And you can see that it's shiny, glossy, and reflective again. And that's why you want to do at least an annual wax, if not more frequently. This boat's done once a year. And it goes from this back to that in about a year. We've been doing this boat for several years now. Probably could use it twice a year, but this is the schedule we're on, and let's bring it back to this. Finished up this 46-foot West Port, West Coast. Anyway, this year we just did the top sides, all the smooth, basically from the rub rail up. And this is just a little walkthrough to show how glossy and shiny and reflective it is again. When I got here 2 days ago, extremely flat, extremely dull, no reflection, and it's back again.